Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, matching game version, mod tools, and a bot template. Open the game folder and a text editor. Make a duplicate of the template so you never edit the original. Once done, export a quick config backup to a separate folder so you can revert. Now locate the bot properties section and identify required fields, ID, model, behavior flags, so you can fill them precisely. This prevents conflicts and speeds the next steps. You now configure detailed behavior. Edit AI states, define triggers that change idle to follow or attack, explain why each trigger matters to the player experience. Next, link animations and the model using exact resource ID so visuals sync with behaviors. Then tune parameters like movement speed, detection radius, and interaction cooldowns. Small adjustments drastically change realism. Make iterative saves and test after you finish by placing the bot in a controlled test map and running a playtest to validate behavior. Watch interaction patterns and log any errors that appear in the console. These logs tell you if resources are missing or scripts failed. If something breaks, compare with your backup and revert only the changed file rather than all work. One key troubleshooting tip: mismatched resource ID or missing dependencies cause silent failures, so verify every reference and reload assets before retesting.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.